The Chicago
Try calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
Alright, YouTube, we out here, man. I had just cussed out a motherfucker for blocking the driveway. Fuck you gonna block the driveway because y'all over here playing baseball. You gonna move your shit ASAP. But anyway, we about to go ahead and get to these brakes and rotors and all that. Test out the new yep. Just like that way. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out, man. And the bump stops came in after I made that other video. That was the front, I do believe. I don't know, back, front, we figured out. But they up in here brand new, so waiting on stabilizer pins. I'm gonna order some new tie rods just for the hell of it. What else? Oh, I got a seat cover in there, but I just laid it on there. But I shoot that in the next segment of the video or something. I'm trying to knock this out real quick. What else? I'm gonna clean the wheels up, all the black. I'm gonna respray. I mean, they shine and all that good stuff. They just dirty right now. But y'all see, they just dirty right now. It rained yesterday, and I told y'all I'd be in and out this truck. But I'm gonna respray them. Respray the black just to give it another good gloss. I might just clear it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I might just clear it. The more I think about it, that's what I might just do. So, let me go and get to it. Whole truck dirty. But let me go and knock this out real quick. Catch y'all right back on. Alright, YouTube. About to take this caliper and stuff off. This is the way I do it, man. I got a seat clamp and all that. But I stick this right in here. Knock it with a hammer real quick. Just get it in between the pad. Boom. Push the piston back. That's it. That's all. I ain't got time to mess around. Like I said, man, tools ain't nothing to me. Boom, down. I got that bag over there. Got this little Walmart joint. I got another bag I'll be taking. And that's it. That's all. So, bump stop right here. That's where one of the bump stops go. So as soon as I push this piston back, I'm going to take that bump stop out and put the other one in. All right. All right, YouTube. Got to make it run real quick, but y'all can see slotted rotors. Then I got my GMC lit up. GMC lit. I'm taking them bulbs out as soon as I get back to ones that change colors. I got some just all white 6K. So I don't like that because you got to control it. Like if I want this one, I had to control that on the remote. I had to control this one on the remote. I don't like that. So, because I just want it green, really. Slide it. I ain't gonna go all the way around, but I do want to show y'all. I gotta hook this up. I see they be having problems with it. Got my third LED brake light to match the tail lights. But it don't work right now. I just stuck it up there just so I can, I thought it worked, but it don't. But, you know, I'm gonna get it to work. So, I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. All right.